ગુડ મોર્નિંગ દોસ્તો, कैसे हैं आप लोग? કેમ છો બધા? ગુજરાત દિવસ નિમિત્તે તમને બધાને હાર્દિક અભિનંदन. कसा काय मित्रमंडळ सब बरा? महाराष्ट्र दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. टुडे गुजरात डे and Maharashtra Day, so my sincere wishes to all of you. First of all, I want to thank you all a lot. I'm really happy with such a good response which I got from all of you, from all my friends, my family members, my loved ones. And more than that, I'm very happy for the honest feedback and the review which you all gave me. My wife told me to improve the efficacy of the script. My mother was very happy with it. My son, I was surprised that he told me so many technical aspects to improve in this video. And of course, all of my friends, you helped me a lot and gave all your feedback and review. I think the comment section was not working in my previous video. I will make it work from this video onwards. But really very happy that, and very much thankful and grateful to all of you that, you are finding time to see my video, like it, subscribe it, and share it forward. Thanks a lot once again. Thanks a lot. And I would continue to work like this to improve in this way and may bring good amount of content for all of you. So let me start my video, but before that there are 2-3 comments based on what I want to just clarify. There was a comment to keep my video concise. I want to keep, मुझे उसे संक्षिप्त में रखना था, but the thing is I want to make it the way where the message goes to all individuals, and it should be a detailed one so that you don't have any, it will be easy for you to understand properly. So that's why again the using all different languages का मेरा प्रयास रहेगा. Still I try to follow all the suggestions, follow all the feedback what you all have given, and try to inculcate it in the possible way I can. So today I need to speak about a topic that is self-motivation. Okay, so let me start with my topic. Today is not a story, it will be some sample from a film, its review, followed by one real life incident which happened with me, and at the end it will be concluded by some thought. Okay, and wherever I am using whatever thought, I am giving a reference. I am giving a strong reference from where I have used, because I am a person of research. So referencing is very important to give credit to those individuals who have, from where I have taken the informations. Okay. But yeah, I try to provide my own perception. मेरा अपना नज़रिया उस पर देख के मैं उसके बारे में बात करूँगा, तो प्लीज़ ज़रा ध्यान से सुनना इसको. Okay, so as I said, my today's topic is motivation. Now currently, if you can see, among the youngsters and teenagers, they are very much fascinated by the horror genre, like horror movies, Conjuring, IT, then Annabella Creation, Annabella Comes Home. These all types of horror movies are quite prominent among the kids and teenagers, and even we also see. Now, what is one of the criteria, which one of the factor which works in that movie is possession. Like you all see possession. Every individual in the movie gets possessed by an evil spirit. So this recollected me. This took me back. ये मुझे पीछे लेके गया. कुछ साल पहले एक मूवी आई थी. You all know Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra, one of the finest director in India, who made 2 beautiful movies called Bhag Milkha Bhag and Rang De Basanti. And I think one more movie is coming on Amazon Prime on 21st of May. That is Tufan, again starring Farhan Akhtar. I am not promoting Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra, or I am neither promoting any of the actors or any individuals, but just I am using his reference. So there was a movie called Ux. Many of us have seen that movie, and there one of the famous action of Amitabh Bachchan was there in that movie, like this. I think somebody would have recollected. The movie didn't work so well. Okay, it was a dark movie, sort of a horror genre about possession and all these things. Amitabh Bachchan was possessed, and like 2 great actors, Amitabh Bachchan and Mr. Manoj Bajpayee, the Family Man fame, they both worked in that movie, and it was not so successful. But we are not dealing with its success or failure. We just discuss about what I want to discuss from that. The movie shows that Mr. Amitabh Bachchan got possessed by the ghost of Manoj Bajpayee. and he was doing some activities which he wasn't supposed to do. His wife took him to the Godman, and Godman is observing Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, and I heard a very strange conversation which I never heard till now, till date also. When the movies are made, there are priests and they are using cross and they are using so many things, and then they are removing the possessions and all those things. But in that movie, that Godman said that, अगर आपको ये लगता है, if you feel that मैं आपको कोई तावीज़ पहनाऊंगा या कोई हवन करूंगा या तंत्र मंत्र करूंगा और ये जो भूत है वो आपको छोड़ देगा, या ये और द स्पिरिट विल गो अवे फ्रॉम यू, तो आप गलत सोचते हो. अगर आपको इस भूत को भगाना है, अगर आपको इफ यू वांट टू गेट रिलीव्ड ऑफ दिस पोजीशन, यू हैव टू वर्क योरसेल्फ. What is important is your own self-confidence, your own self-motivation, which works here to make you away from this evil spirit. Now that was really a very fantastic line, and at that time, years before, where horror movies were having a different way of treatment, but that in such a horror movie also, Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra and the writers of the movie brought this type of motivation. The simple concept of movie was that, when you observe the mirror, okay, you always see two reflections, दो अक्स देखते हैं. One is your positive self, one is your negative self. Positive self and negative self. Okay. Now, positive self में क्या है? Positive self में है आपका determination, आपका self motivation, आपकी positivity. What is there in negative self? Negative self is like, it's your depression, okay, confusion which exists in your mind, okay, your fear, okay, and all sort of negativity included there. Now it is up to you to observe क्या आप अपनी पॉजिटिव सेल्फ देखना चाहते हैं या आप अपनी नेगेटिव सेल्फ देखना चाहते हैं. वही उस मूवी का कंसेप्ट था. लाइक आपको या आप पे डिपेंड करता है कि आप आपके पॉजिटिव सेल्फ देखते हैं या अपने आपकी नेगेटिव सेल्फ देखते हैं. मूविंग टुवर्ड्स वन ऑफ द इंसिडेंट विच हैपेंड इन माय लाइफ. 10th स्टैंडर्ड में सब पढ़ते हैं, मैं भी पढ़ता था. काफ़ी मेहनत की. आई वॉज नॉट सच अ ब्राइट किड, बट काफ़ी मेहनत की. And 10th was like a celebration when we were studying. 10th was like a big job, Once 10th is clear, everything is done. 10वीं खत्म, आप अच्छी लाइन ले लोगे, आप इंजीनियर बन जाओगे, आप डॉक्टर बन जाओगे, things will be okay, things will be fine. That was the presumed perception among all the parents. 10th की एग्जाम दी, बहुत मेहनत की थी, और आप जब भी मेहनत करते हैं, whenever you work hard, what you feel is that your input will always give you the desirable output, which is not always true. Okay, your input, you always feel, હવે मैंने જબરદસ્ત મહેનત की, I work very hard, મેં બહુ જ મહેનત કરી છે, તો જે મારું આઉટપુટ આવવું જોઈએ ને એ સુપર આવવું જોઈએ. I would cross the limits, and I worked hard, રાત્રે જાગ્યો છું, આમ કર્યો છું, તેમ કર્યું છું, મારા રિઝલ્ટ મસ્ત જ આવવું જોઈએ. આપણે હંમેશા એ જ વિચારીએ છીએ. रिजल्ट आया, मेरा रिजल्ट भी काफ़ी अच्छा आया. कंपेयर टू लाइक माई पेरेंट्स आर वेरी हैप्पी. रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा आया. As what I was, early in 10th standard, and what happened in the result, it was quite good. But like I was missing with 3 marks to get admission in the science stream in my desired school. ऐसा नहीं था कि मेरा रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं था, but yeah, the cutoff score was like 188 or 85, and my cutoff score of maths and science was 183, like 3-4 मार्क कम आए थे. मेरे घर के बाहर लाइक वही रिजल्ट आ गया. फर्स्ट दिन तो बहुत खुशी हुई, लाइक नेक्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड डे जब हम फॉर्म भर के आए स्कूल में, तो सुना कि नहीं, अभी कट ऑफ तो नहीं आएगा, रिजल्ट मार्कशीट बाद में आएगी, बट कट ऑफ रेट रिजल्ट शीट बाद में आएगी. द रिजल्ट इन द नेम्स इन द रिजल्ट ऑफ वॉट एवर यू आर अप्लाइड फॉर, वॉट एवर स्ट्रीम यू अप्लाइड फॉर, वो थोड़ा लेट आएगा, बट इट्स वेरी श्योर दैट यू वोंट बी गेटिंग एडमिशन. घर के बाहर वरांदा है, वरांदे के पास झूला था, झूले के पास छोटा सा गार्डन था हमारे वहाँ, तो झूले पे मेरे फादर बैठे, गार्डन में मैं बैठे, गार्डन के पास वहाँ जो पाली है वहाँ मैं बैठा था. एंड आई वॉज क्राइंग. बहुत रोना आया कि यार क्यों हो गया ऐसा, क्यों हो गया. आई वॉज सिटिंग एंड क्राइंग. 1 घंटा रो रहा हूँ, 2 घंटा रो रहा हूँ, दुखी बैठा हूँ. आई वॉज जस्ट क्राइंग एंड रिपेंटिंग ऑन वाई 2-3 मार्क्स ज़्यादा नहीं आए. माय फादर यूज्ड टू टेल मी कि चिंता वांधो नहीं, चिंता ना करतो, चिंता चालશે, આવું મટી થઈ જશે, ટેન્શન ના લેતો, બધું જતું રહેશે. ટાઈમ મળે એડમિશન મળી જશે, ક્યાંક બીજી એડમિશન મળી જશે. બટ આઈ વોઝ વેરી રિલક્ટન્ટ. આઈ વોન્ટ ટુ બી ઇન દેટ સ્કૂલ ઓનલી. એન્ડ આઈ વોઝ crying. Then suddenly my father shouted, he said, ચિંતનિયા બસ થયું, હવે રડવાનું બંધ કર. He said, ચિંતનિયા બસ થયું, હવે રડવાનું બંધ કર. Still, I'm crying. And then he just stood up and he went. રડવા દો. I'm continuously crying for one day, for second day also I am just in that, phase of mourning, अरे मेरे को एडमिशन नहीं मिलेगा ये. Unless and until, when the voice came from inside, ચિંતનિયા બસ થયું, હવે યાર, હવે કેટલું રડીશ? Now think further. Why are you crying so much? Okay, think further. કેટલું રડીશ? Unless and until my mother told, my father told, my grandfather told, अरे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, टेंशन मत लो. Everybody told me, nothing happened. But जब मेरे अंदर से आवाज आई कि ચિંતનિયા બહુ થયું હવે યાર, હવે કેટલું રડીશ? Whenever this ચિંતનિયા બહુ થયું હવે came from inside, then I stopped and I start thinking now what to do next. Okay, that is called self motivation. We get motivated from our own self. Okay, we just want to know our own self. Okay, now what we can do, what best we can do. So focus on your positive side, work towards it and get moving. Okay, and it's not that it will happen only once. We are human beings. It happens again and again. પાછું 12માનું રિઝલ્ટ આવ્યું, પાછું એન્જિનિયરિંગ એડમિશન ના મળ્યું, again the episode came. Two times in my life, in this over a span of 20 years, I tried to settle in Australia. It didn't happen. That doesn't mean that my life stopped. That doesn't mean that I should not work hard, I should not do something what I want to do. Nothing can stop me of doing good, nothing can stop me of being positive if I am self-motivated. Okay, negative self, positive self, as I told about these two things. Negative self hoti hai, positive self hoti hai. Okay, नेगेटिव सेल्फ इज जस्ट लाइक कोरोना. आप संक्रमित होने वाले हो और बार बार होने वाले हो. इट इज यू नीड टू गेट दिस क्वारंटाइन पीरियड गुड एंड कम आउट पॉजिटिवली. ओके, ये क्वारंटाइन पीरियड आपको खत्म करना है और नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव हो जाना है. आप समझ रहे हैं मेरी बात? ओके, वन ऑफ द फेमस डायलॉग फ्रॉम अ KGF chapter 2, KGF chapter 1 which came in 2018. ओके, लड़ाई में कौन पहले मारता है वो इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं. लड़ाई में कौन पहले मारता है इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. फर्क इससे पड़ता है कि कौन पहले नीचे गिरता है. आर यू गेटिंग इट? लड़ाई में कौन पहले मारता है इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. फर्क इससे पड़ता है कि कौन पहले नीचे गिरता है. ओके, मेक योर नेगेटिव सेल्फ फॉल डाउन फर्स्ट before it comes, like it gets into you and it just pull you out. Okay, try to make your negative self, try the negativity, the fear, the depression to go away from you, and it's nobody else, you will be only there to do it. Okay, कोरोना तो फिर भी 15 दिन में चला जाता है, जैसा देखते हैं कोरोना फिर 15 दिन चला जाता है, बट ये नेगेटिव सेल्फ will pull you till your black hole. So please remove this negative self. I would conclude this session with one of the famous dialogue which was spoken by Mr. Pankaj Tripathi in one of his web series, Criminal Justice. अपने मन में एक मंत्र गांठ बांध लो. अपने मन में एक मंत्र गांठ बांध लो. मन के हारे हार है और मन के जीते जीत. मन के हारे हार है और मन के जीते जीत. कोई और आपको पहचाने, कोई और आपको स्वीकार करे, उसके पहले आप स्वयं को स्वीकार करो और किसी से ज्यादा उम्मीद मत रखो. This was from Criminal Justice, and I always give references of all famous dialogues which I use because I want to give all of them the credit. So that was all for today. Thank you very much friends for liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. Please share it across, सबको share करिए. I will try a lot to work more on my scripts. I'll try a lot to bring good contents to you. Okay. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Please like, subscribe and share and make it available to maximum number of people. Okay. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली देखिए अपने हाथ ढंग से सैनिटाइज कीजिए, सारे रूल्स फॉलो कीजिए, प्रिकॉशन रखिए, 2 गज की दूरी बनाए रखिए, गवर्नमेंट के सारे रूल्स फॉलो कीजिए, मास्क पहनिए, मास्क अनिवार्य है, और ढंग से पहनिए, पूरा मास्क ढंग से पहनिए। स्टे सेफ एंड स्टे मोटिवेटेड।